Hello and happy day. How does slowing down sound to you today? Would you like to reduce the noise for just a bit? Are you ready to make a choice and decide to listen? My name is Igor S.F. Walker. I'm here to remind people to slow down, to reduce the noise, to walk their lives into a natural flow. Welcome back to the Book of the Week series. Every week as I read another amazing title, I share it with the world. And today we look at Creating Affluence, the A to Z Steps to a Richer Life by Deepak Chopra and Richard Carlson. Wealth consciousness is so much more than simply having the ability to make money. It's a mindset that involves seeing life not as a struggle, but as a magical adventure where our needs are met with grace and ease. It includes the ability to see beauty everywhere you go, to have gratitude as your primary emotion, and an open heart to all you meet. Wealth consciousness is a state of mind, a sense not of believing, but truly and really knowing that what we need is available to us. I'm going to go through an alphabet here, so please pay attention to each letter and what it represents. A, all possibilities, absolute authority, affluence, abundance. B, better and best. C, carefreeness and charity. D, demand and supply, dharma. E, exalting in the success of others, expecting the best. F, failure contains the seed of success. G, gratitude, generosity, God, gap, and goals. H, happiness and humanity. I, intent or intention. J, judgment is unnecessary. K, knowledge contains organized power. L, love and luxury. M, making money for others, motivating others. N, saying no to negativity. O, life is the coexistence of opposites, opportunity, open and honest communication. P, purpose in life, pure potentiality. Q, to question. R, receiving is as necessary as giving. S, spending in service. T, transcendence, timeless awareness, talent. U, understanding the unity behind all diversity. V, values. W, wealth consciousness without worries. X, expressing honest appreciation and thanks to all who help us. Y, youthful vigor. And Z, zest for life. There's a power in knowledge, desire, and spirit. And this power within you is the key to creating affluence. Knowledge as organizing power inherent in it. It is simply enough to know, to be aware of the principles, and knowledge will be processed and metabolized by our bodies, and the results will be spontaneous. They don't occur overnight, but they do begin manifest gradually over a period of time. There's a precise mechanism through which all desires can be manifested. This is 4 steps. Step 1, you slip into the gap between thoughts. The gap is the window, the corridor, the transformational vortex through which the personal psyche communicates with the cosmic psyche. Step 2, have clear intention or a clear goal in the gap. Step 3, you relinquish your attachment to the outcome, because chasing the outcome or getting attached to it entails coming out of the gap. Step 4, you let the universe handle the details. Material wealth, or money, is merely one means to the spontaneous fulfillment of our desires. Affluence, or wealth, means that one is easily able to fulfill one's desires, whatever they may be, whether they apply to the material realm, to our emotional, psychological, or spiritual needs, or the realm of relationships. A truly wealthy person's attention is never focused on money alone. Moreover, a wealthy person never has money concerns. Oscar Wilde once said, "There's only one class of people that thinks more about money than the rich, and that is the poor. In fact, the poor can think of nothing else." To have true wealth or affluence is to be totally carefree about everything in life, including money. True wealth consciousness is consciousness of the source of all material reality. The source of all material reality is pure consciousness. It is pure awareness. It is the unified field. It is the field of all possibilities. We cannot know this field just by thinking about it, because by definition, it is transcendental to the thought. We can, however, have experiential knowledge of this field by transcending to it and knowing it intimately as our own nature. The founder of the transcendental meditation technique asked a group of physicists to describe the qualities of the unified field. As it turns out, these are also the qualities of Brahman and the source of all creation as described in the Veda, the classic spiritual texts of India. If we could think of a person who embodied the thoughts of God, then these would be his or her psychological traits. And what could be better than to use for our own model the mind of God, the unified field, the field of all possibilities. Einstein once said, "I want to know the thoughts of God. The rest are details." There you have it. Now it's up to you. Please do help out. It is easy. Simply like this video so more people can enjoy it. Share it too and spread the word. Subscribe to my channel and stay up to date. And the link to this book is in the description below, so buy it and read. Never stop learning. Thank you. Love and respect.